How's it going, guys? So this time around I'm doing an unboxing video. I just received a package from Import Image Racing. Go check them out. They have a lot of great stuff for plenty of different rides. What I order is for my Subaru, but in the past I've ordered for one of my Acuras, etc. So go check them out, importimageracing.com. Anyways, I received what I've been hesitant to order for a while just because they're so expensive, but I feel like you can't beat the quality or just the overall aesthetics. Check this out. I got me the Rally Armors. Came packaged, just regular cardboard brown box, and within that box was the main box. Check these out. So the ones I ended up getting were they're black with the white font, but it's the newer font, the newer version. And it has some tape in the bottom. Let me get a knife real quick. Try to open this. It's a seal all the way across. Ready? Ready? I'm ready. Right there. Honestly, this packaging is pretty damn nice to be some mud flaps, but I mean they are $170 mud flaps. Ooh, check that out. This is the unboxing. If you guys want an install, I can do that as well. Check that out. I think this font is pretty dang sweet. Here's the hardware. Comes with the brackets, metal brackets. There's some plastic washers, the screws, and then the flaps themselves. Let me show you the actual flap. Let me get this open and then I'll show you guys that. Alright, check that out, that glossiness. All the other mud flaps I was looking at, they honestly did not look anything like this in quality. They looked a little bit kind of cheap, kind of hard. These have a nice flex to them. Oof. And then with that logo right there, that font looks sweet. And just the rest of them. Get them out? Yes, I can. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. So the other two flaps are in here. Basically the same thing as these. Hardware, brackets, everything came packaged super nicely. In a beautiful box, I would say. But yeah. That was just a simple unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, check out my other videos. I did a video on how I wash my car. I'll put that at the end of this video. Check it out. Check out the premiere of the WRX. And also, a bit back, I did a video on my CRX. And that thing's coming out soon. So, I need to fix one last thing on it, I believe. Or not, everything's fixed. I just need some wheels. And yeah. I'll make more videos on the CRX when that gets done, but thanks for tuning in.